Hello guys, how to be here? Welcome back to another video, and today we'll do an unboxing video, and this one is for the MSI M99 mouse. This one is kinda popular because I got this mouse by an offer. So this was let's see what is inside the box. And let's open up the second concept. These are the warnings here. All are from Chinese. What the fuck? Is this Chinese or Korean? This is the MSI and the gaming mouse M99. So let's get into the it's all wrapped, and look at the covering. Oh my goodness, this is a little box. This one is kinda cute. How to open up? What? It is all parts are sealed. I think I'll have to tear this down. So guys, be ready. Oh. Okay. This packaging is kinda interesting. Like, I never seen this type of packaging. Like, they totally sealed it. And here we go. What? This is the warranty word, right? I mean warranty paper, I guess. And I really don't know the language of this shit. The braided, I mean the cables totally braided, and the end part is not that bad. So cable are smooth. Let's take a look at the mouse itself. Well. This looks really interesting, and yeah, this is smooth, quite friendly with hand. And look at the clickings, so much smoothing. This will be big game play very soon, so let's just turn it on. Let's check this out. Let me connect it. Oh guys, take a look at this. The RGB actually not looking that sick as I thought, but I think this is pretty much noticeable that we are using a gaming mouse, rather not a normal one, because not that bad, on the other hand not that much pretty also. But the logo inside here really looks sick, and the other thing is this is kind of light. I mean, this is kind of light side, so this is great. And yeah, I will give much more feedback in the comment section also. And yeah, that's all from today guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you're new, make sure to stay with the channel. See you all soon with another interesting video. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.